Good morning, students. Today we are going to finish up with our chapter Simple Equations. Only applying thoughts of exercise 4.4 is left, and if any problem is there regarding this chapter, when our online session will start, before starting with the new chapter or the topic, I'll take up the problems or the queries regarding this chapter. Okay? Good morning, students. As we have done with exercise 4.4 till question number 6, today we are going to start with applying thoughts. In one of the video I've done question number 1 and question number 6, and today I'll take up rest of the questions. Question number 2 is quite easy. 5 times a number added to 5 gives 40. So this is very simple question. I'll start with question number 3. Exercise 4.4, applying thought. Now question number 3, it says in a school the total number of students is 2400. If the number of girls are 120 more than that of boys. So first thing is that total number of students is equal to 2400. How many students are there? They are 2400. And now how many are the girls? First they have given that, and girls are related to given with respect to the number of boys. So what you are going to do is you are going to assume the number of boys. So let number of boys is equal to, say I take B, you can take any variable. So therefore number of girls, they are going to be 120 more, means 120 plus the number of boys. Clear? So now according to the question, boys plus girls is equal to total students. So how many boys? B. Girls are 120 plus B, and total students are 2400. B plus B to B plus 120 is equal to 2400, and 2B is equal to 2400 minus 120, and this is equal to 2280. This is 2B. So B is equal to 2280 upon 2, which is 1140. So these are the number of boys, and I'll write it here. Boys B is equal to 1140. Girls is equal to 120 plus B, which is 120 plus 1140, which means 1260. Is that clear? So these are the number of boys and these are the number of girls, which make total strength of 2400. So this is the case when the total is given and you have to find the number of the children. Here. Now come to the next question, which is again very easy. Pranay had 4 Y sweets. He gave 3 sweets. Okay, I'll do number of sweets. Pranay had is equal to Y. It is not Pranay, it is Pranav. He gave 3 sweets each to his 6 friends. So, sweets, or write number of sweets given to friends is equal to 3 each to 6 friends. So how many sweets he has given? 18. Then he found 8 are left. Number of sweets left is equal to 8. Okay. So now you have total sweets, distributive sweets, and this is the left sweets. So find the total sweets. So according to question, total sweets will be equal to distributed sweets plus the left sweets. Okay. So Y is equal to 26. So total sweets are is equal to 26. Is that clear? Now the question number 5. Question number 5 says Aditya had 500 rupees. So total money is rupees 500. All rupee notes were of value 20. So types of notes is equal to rupees 20. Or you can write value of each note. Value of each, that is better. Value of each note is equal to rupees 20, and so let number of notes is equal to n. I am taking it as n. So now according to question, now if I have 10 notes, each value of 5 rupees, how many rupees I will have? 50. Now here is the same question. You have 20 rupee notes. You don't know the number, but its value is 500. Is that clear? So now your question is going to be n multiplied by 20, and that answer comes out to be 500. So n is equal to 500 upon 20. So that is 0 get cancelled and it is 25. So how many notes are there? Number of rupees 20 notes is equal to 25. Clear? So how many notes? 20 rupees notes like this. 20 rupees note. Aditya will have 25. The number is going to be 25. Clear? And sixth question I have already told you. I have explained in the previous video. Now come to question number 7, which says, earlier I have told you in the previous video the consecutive numbers, how to assume consecutive numbers, but here these are even consecutive numbers. So even consecutive numbers. Even consecutive numbers. Now even consecutive numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, even and consecutive. After the other, there is no other even number in between. We are talking of even numbers. Okay? So how will you assume that? Even consecutive numbers. So first is 2n. Now if I say first number is 2, there is a gap between two even numbers is 2. So my second number is 2n plus 2. And the third one is 2n plus 4. So 3 even consecutive numbers are this, this and this. Clear? Now according to question, the sum is means 2n plus 2, 2n plus 4 is equal to 18. So 2n, 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 6n, and 2 plus 4, 6 is equal to 18. 6n is equal to 18 minus 6. 6n is equal to 12. N is equal to 12 upon 6. N is equal to 2. Now first number 2n. 2 multiplied by 2. 4. 2n plus 2. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2, that is 4 plus 2, 6. And 2n plus 4, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 4, that is 4 plus 4, 8. So all these are the consecutive numbers, and if you add these three even numbers, 10 plus 8, 18. You can cross check your answer also. Okay, and then comes your question number 8. Consecutive numbers and their mean. Consecutive numbers, 3 consecutive numbers, n plus 1, n plus 2. Now according to question, mean means average. I have to add them. How many numbers are these? 3. So this is the mean, and the mean is 12. Now when first Simplify the numerator. N, 3n. And 1 plus 2, 3 upon 3 is equal to 12. This 3 will cross multiply. 3n plus 3 is equal to 12 into 3. So 3n plus 3 is equal to 36. 3n is equal to 36 minus 3. So 3n is equal to 33. N is equal to 33 upon 3, which is 11. So n is 11. N plus 1 is equal to 11 plus 1, that is 12. N plus 2 is equal to 11 plus 2, that is 13. So your three consecutive numbers are 11, 12 and 13. When you add them, divide by 3, your answer will come 12. And the last question is, your ninth question, the last question of this chapter is 3 consecutive odd numbers. First we have suppose consecutive numbers, then even numbers, now odd numbers. Take it as 2n, 1 will be minus 1, 2n plus 1 and third will be 2n plus 3, not 2. How? What are the consecutive odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers. Consecutive means in between there is no other odd number. Okay. Now if I take n as 1, so 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3, 5. So this is the series of consecutive odd numbers. Clear? Now condition says sum of these consecutive numbers is thrice of, according to question, 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3 is equal to thrice of 103. So 2n, 2n, 2n. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6n. Minus 1 plus 1, 0 and plus 3 is equal to 309 when you multiply it. 6n is equal to 309 minus 3. 6n is equal to 306. N is equal to 306 upon 6. So n is equal to 51. Now you have to find 2n minus 1. So 2 multiplied by 51 minus 1, which is 102 minus 1, that is 101. Then 2n plus 1, which is 2 multiplied by 51 plus 1, that is 102 plus 1, which means 103. Then 2n plus 3, that is 2 multiplied by 51 plus 3, which is equal to 102 plus 3, that is 105. So your three numbers are 101, 103 and 105. Is that clear? So write separately the consecutive numbers. Simple consecutive numbers are n n plus 1, n plus 2, and the series will keep on going. Even numbers 2n, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 4, and odd 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3. Next will be 2n plus 5. So like this, the series of this is of just consecutive numbers, even numbers, odd numbers. Clear? So keep this in mind and do your exercise. I hope the things are clear. One day when the online session will start, I'll take up the queries regarding this chapter also, and then I'll start with the chapter. Clear?